have separation of powers, and we have three arms of government: the legislature, they make the law, and then the executive implement, and then of course the judiciary interprets the law. So if there is a dispute, and for peaceful coexistence, you have to take it to court and not the laws into your hands. But we've seen, even for the court, that the backlog of cases is also caused by huge number of election petition matters, or election, or in party, call it even political party affairs. They've taken a big chunk of judicial time. But you can't say people should do away with the, going to court. But it's just a call for continual, to improve, continuous improvement on the credibility of elections in Nigeria. And again, to begin to set these timelines, such as we have seen with regard to previous amendment of the Constitution, like in the 5th alteration, to have a timeline for filing of election petition and ending within 1 day. So those are important. But then it just takes care of a certain category of cases. But the overall is to address the root causes. I've been to countries, like studied electoral systems in other countries of similarly running federal system. Take India, for example. If you look at election petition, they are the world's largest democracy with nearly 1 billion people voting in election. And then the petition is 0.1% in terms of litigation. It doesn't happen because they have a system where you vote, electronic voting machine. I've seen that demonstrated. I've been to the Electoral Commission of India, and then they verify, and everything is clear to people. In fact, even when they distribute materials, there is no interest. You see the election drag for 1 month. People can drop things by camel to the hinterland. Nobody have that. There is no that culture of manipulation, of trying to hijack, of trying to alter. So it is about attitude, the do or die politics we are playing, the political terrain, the fact that it has also become the easiest access to means of production and also to wealth. So we have to look at that. But then a constitutional amendment is beyond that. But we have to tackle the root causes. And I'm worried as a lawyer, as a senior advocate, about delays, even in the appellate court, because these cases have to drag, like the Right Honorable described, from High Court, up to the Supreme Court. And by the time, some of them get, especially pre-election matters, some are already overtaken by events, So it's really a need for, there have to be a decisive action. And I think going forward, we might also have a permanent court for taking electoral matters, since that is already